This explains the process to check through traces the status of the TDS returns filed. Click on Traces Information. Click on View Statement Status. Enter the login details of the user, that is, TAN, traces user ID, and password. Enter the captcha code. Click on Login. Click on Yes. Select the details of the return. Financial year. Form number. And quarter, for which the statement needs to be verified. And click on Go. The details of the statement submitted and processed will get displayed. The status of a return could be either pending, or processed with defaults, or processed without defaults, or rejected. In this case, it is processed without defaults. This completes the checking process. Click on Exit. Thanks for your time. Hope you found it useful.